In a small town, there lived a man named Leo who had a bizarre yet fascinating talent. He could detect lies just by sneezing. Whenever someone told him a fib, Leo would experience an uncontrollable sneeze, a reaction unlike anything seen before. This skill made him the town's unofficial truth detector, prompting people to come to him for advice on trust issues. Friends and family would start their conversations with, "No sneezing, please." Leo enjoyed his unique gift, using it not only for fun, but also to help people rebuild broken relationships. Yet he often wondered whether this talent was a blessing or a burden, as he became more isolated for his sensitive perception of honesty.